MAWTS is a reliable organization of Caritas. Technical education is provided here. About 147 different trades are completed in different duration modular courses which are of international standard. However, those who are trained here are suitable for working outside the country. In continuation of this, MAWTS Japan is sending high-quality training in welding on SSW and TATP visa and other professions to Japan. Mr. Shafiuddin, HR Admin, Malaysia Airlines is in overall management. In the video clip, he is giving a speech to increase the morale of the students. Along with that, the instructor of MAWTS has also joined and tells about the training process. I'm an instructor in the welding section of MAWTS. Dear students welding for the first time, you will be very careful. Wear gloves, masks, and helmets nicely while welding. First I'll show you how to do welding, then you'll practice. If the welding handle seems heavy to you, then twist the electric wire with your hand. Thank you all. Director Sir is very happy to see your training interest and activity.